Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Vivo X300 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Today, we're diving deep into their display brilliance, powerhouse chipsets, camera tech, battery life, and more. Will the Vivo's ultra-bright 4500 nit LTPO AMOLED display and Zeiss optics outshine Samsung's dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X with its titanium build and stylus support? How do their insane megapixel cameras and AI features stack up? And with price tags worlds apart, is the Galaxy's premium feel worth the extra cost? Stick around, because by the end, you might just question which flagship truly deserves your money. Starting with the displays, the Vivo X300 Pro offers a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a peak brightness of 4500 nits, boasting HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and a massive 1 billion color depth. This means vibrant, ultra-realistic visuals perfect for HDR content. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra ups the size slightly to 6.9 inches with a sharper 1440 by 3120 resolution and a dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. But its peak brightness is capped at 2600 nits. While Samsung features an anti-reflective coating and always-on display, Vivo's display peak brightness and Dolby Vision support make it a standout for media consumption. Under the hood, Vivo X300 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset with an octa-core CPU featuring a 4.21 GHz Cortex Ultra core, delivering impressive single-thread performance. Samsung counters with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, boasting two blazing 4.47 GHz Oryon V2 Phoenix cores, making it arguably the fastest chipset for multitasking and gaming. The Galaxy's Adreno 830 GPU offers a slight edge in graphics performance, but Vivo's chipset efficiency is no slouch either. Looking at special features, Vivo packs in a V1 imaging chip and Zeiss T SIN. When it comes to cameras, Vivo's main shooter is a 50MP wide lens with f1.6 aperture and OIS, balanced by a 200MP periscope telephoto with 3.7 optical zoom. Samsung pushes the envelope with a staggering 200MP wide sensor at f1.7 and a versatile triple telephoto setup including a 50MP periscope offering 5x optical zoom. Samsung's higher resolution and zoom versatility make it the king for ultra-detailed and far-reaching shots. Vivo boasts Zeiss optics with a focus tracking engine and hybrid HDR for vivid, sharp images, while Samsung's quad tele system and AI-powered ProVisual Engine deliver superior stabilization and advanced HDR processing. The Galaxy's virtual aperture and best face shot features enhance portrait and video quality, making it the more feature-rich camera system overall. Battery-wise, Vivo X300 Pro impresses with a hefty 6510 mAh silicon-carbon lithium-ion battery, promising longer endurance for heavy users. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra carries a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery, smaller but optimized with AI adaptive power modes. Vivo's larger capacity could translate to better longevity under intense use. In terms of build, Vivo uses glass front and back with an aluminum alloy frame, striking a balance of premium feel and durability. Samsung steps up with Corning Gorilla Armor 2 on both sides and a Grade 5 titanium frame, making it tougher and more resistant to scratches and drops. The Galaxy's titanium frame is a clear winner for ruggedness and premium tactile experience. Both phones offer IP68 water and dust resistance, but Vivo adds IP69 certification for high-pressure water jets, enhancing durability. Samsung adds a unique stylus pen with Bluetooth and gyro integration, expanding productivity and creativity options that Vivo doesn't offer. The stylus is a game-changer for power users. Memory options are close, with Vivo offering up to 1 TB storage paired with up to 16 GB RAM, while Samsung matches the storage tiers but caps most variants at 12 GB RAM except the top 1 TB model. Vivo's higher RAM in mid-tier options could mean smoother multitasking for less. Price is where these two diverge sharply. Vivo X300 Pro ranges between $750 to $950, delivering flagship specs at a mid-range cost. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra commands a premium $1,300 price tag, reflecting its advanced materials, camera tech, and ecosystem features. The question is, are you paying for real value or just the brand name?